The 2011 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.